Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace a base corner protector on your trunk. First, we need to flip the trunk upside down. You always like to put a towel down, whether you're doing it on a tabletop or on the floor, just to protect the surface below the trunk. Okay, remove each of the 3 original screws from your base corner protector. And go ahead and just discard those screws. Use the 3 replacement screws that we sent you. Just put our new corner protector in the same position. And then with those new screws, we're just going to put those in about halfway. That'll make it easier to get lined up with the holes that are in your trunk. And then on this 3rd and final screw, we can just go ahead and completely tighten that one. Come back to the first 2 screws, finish tightening those, and you just replaced your base corner protector.